Welcome back to Cyberwise, your go-to channel for IT, cybersecurity, and tech news. Today we're diving into a groundbreaking partnership between two industry giants, Hyundai Motor Group and NVIDIA. They're joining forces to revolutionize the automotive world with cutting-edge AI and digital twin technologies. Let's break it down. So, Hyundai and NVIDIA, these aren't exactly names you'd associate with being afraid of a little tech disruption, right? But this partnership, this is next level. We're talking about integrating artificial intelligence and this thing called digital twin technology to completely change how cars are designed, manufactured, and even experienced by drivers. Now you might be wondering, hold up, a digital what? Don't worry, we'll get to that. But the gist is, this collaboration is about making vehicle production systems crazy efficient, way more sustainable, and just straight up futuristic. Think about the impact on everything from the factory floor to the open road. And it's not just about Hyundai's cars getting a tech upgrade, it's about changing the entire game for how we think about manufacturing in the 21st century. We're talking about a fundamental shift towards smarter, more connected, and ultimately more efficient systems. This isn't just an evolution, it's a full-on revolution in the making. Alright, let's unpack this digital twin thing because it sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine this, a digital replica, a perfect virtual copy of a real-world object or process. In this case, we're talking about a car, or even an entire factory existing in the digital realm. This virtual copy, or twin, is constantly fed with real-time data from its physical counterpart. Think sensors, cameras, all kinds of data streams. This allows engineers to basically have X-ray vision into how a car is performing, how the production line is flowing, all in a virtual space. But here's where it gets really cool. You can run simulations, stress tests, and optimize the heck out of these digital twins without ever touching the real thing. It's like having a crystal ball for predicting potential issues or bottlenecks before they even happen in the real world. And because it's all digital, you can experiment with different designs, layouts, or processes without the risk and cost associated with real-world trial and error. It's like having a giant sandbox for innovation. Okay, so we've got Hyundai, known for building some seriously solid cars, and NVIDIA, the absolute powerhouse in AI and computing. You put these two together, and you've got a recipe for something special. See, NVIDIA brings its A-game in AI and computing power to the table, and Hyundai brings its decades of experience in building cars and understanding the intricacies of automotive manufacturing. It's like combining the brain of a supercomputer with the hands of a master craftsman. Their goal? To supercharge production efficiency, make things way more environmentally friendly, and push the boundaries of what's possible in designing and developing the smart, connected cars of the future. But it's bigger than just Hyundai. This partnership is a signal to the entire automotive industry. It's like firing a starting pistol in a race to create the smartest, most sustainable, and most advanced vehicles on the planet. This is about more than just making cars. It's about redefining what's possible in the world of manufacturing. It's about pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation to create a better, more sustainable future. Chapter 4, Key Benefits of AI and Digital Twin Technology. Now let's talk about the tangible benefits of all this tech wizardry. First up, we've got real-time problem solving. Remember how we talked about digital twins being fed with real-time data? Well, that means any hiccups, any issues that pop up, they're flagged instantly. This allows teams to jump on problems before they snowball into major headaches. It's like having a team of expert mechanics constantly monitoring your car, ready to make adjustments at a moment's notice. Next, let's talk cost efficiency. Running simulations in a virtual world means you don't have to build as many physical prototypes. You can test different designs, experiment with materials, and optimize processes all without the cost of real-world materials and labor. And of course, we can't forget about the cars themselves. AI plays a huge role in developing vehicles that are not only fuel efficient but also more connected, more autonomous, and ultimately, way smarter. Think self-driving features, predictive maintenance, and a driving experience that's tailored to you. Chapter 5, The Bigger Picture. This Hyundai and NVIDIA partnership isn't an isolated incident, it's part of a much larger trend we're seeing across the entire automotive landscape. Big players in the game are realizing that to stay competitive, to stay ahead of the curve, they need to embrace AI and digital twins. We're seeing it everywhere. Tesla's been using AI for years to power its autopilot system. BMW is leveraging digital twins to optimize its production lines and create virtual showrooms. And now, Hyundai's joining the party, bringing its own flavor of innovation to the table. This is a signal, a clear message, that the future of automotive manufacturing is digital. It's about leveraging the power of data, AI, and virtual simulations to create smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable systems. It's a race to the top, and the companies that embrace these technologies are the ones that are going to come out on top. Chapter 6. What does this mean for the future? So, what does all this mean for the everyday driver? For starters, you can expect to see better cars. Cars with fewer recalls, cars that are designed and built with a level of precision and efficiency that we've never seen before. But it's not just about better cars, it's about faster innovation. With digital twins and AI, car makers can experiment more freely, they can try new things, and they can bring new features and technologies to market faster than ever before. And for the planet, this is a big win for sustainability. More efficient manufacturing processes mean less waste, less energy consumption, and a smaller environmental footprint overall. For tech enthusiasts like us, this is just plain cool. It's proof that the technologies we've been hearing about, these futuristic concepts, are becoming a reality. It's an exciting time to be following the automotive industry, and I, for one, can't wait to see what the future holds. What do you think about this partnership? Will AI and digital twins become the new norm in manufacturing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Stay tuned to Cyberwise, where tech meets tomorrow.